Coach? Yeah.
We're gonna be doing
What do you say that?
bench press
Bench press. Okay.
your chest and your arms.
Oh, I see. I see.
So compound exercise. So
Mhm.
you'll lay down.
Mm-hmm.
You kind of want to be looking into the middle of the bar.
Oh, I see.
I personally like to grab it from
Oh, that's great. Okay. That's great. What's the initial weight for that?
This is 45 pounds.
45 pounds. 45 pounds.
35 pounds on each side.
Okay.
This would be 115 pounds.
Wow. Okay. Whoa. Look like very heavy. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. More?
And you put your arm here.
Mm-hmm.
And you bring it like this.
Alright.
So you want to make sure you get a full extension.
Mm-hmm. That's a good foot position for this. Okay. Okay. Hello, hello. 哎，今天第一天哈，自己来做 workout 啊。今天
Welcome to Heavenly-Hiker. I hope to keep fit and exercise diligently in the coming months. While helping my daughter during her postpartum period, my son-in-law has become my fitness coach. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to tell me what kind of exercises you usually do.
Hello, Alex. You want to see Jose doing the workout coach? Yeah.
We're gonna be doing
What do you say that?
bench press.
Bench press. Okay.
Your chest and your arms.
Oh, I see. I see.
So compound exercise. So
Mhm.
you'll lay down
Mm-hmm.
and you kind of want to be looking into the middle of this bar.
Oh, I
Just
see.
align yourself in the middle,
Okay.
and then you can grab the bar.
Yeah.
I like to hold it from here. You can hold it from a wider grip if you want. Feel your muscles later.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I personally like to grab it from.
Oh, that's great. Okay.
So I grab it. I make sure my feet are well planted on the floor,
Mm-hmm.
and then I bring it slowly to my chest and up.
Okay. That's great.
And then we try to do.
What's
well,
the-
I don't know, depends.
Okay.
What's
What?
wrong with my-
What's the initial weight for that?
This is 45 pounds.
45 pounds. All right.
I think that's 5. This is generally my how I warm up.
Mm-hmm.
So you can do it with this weight. I think it's probably pretty good for you.
All right. That's good.
You get started.
Thank you.
Because
Oh, okay.
if it's too much, then you can skip.
All right.
At least this height works out for me.
Okay.
You just move these things and you just like move this to the side. Same way to put them back in.
Oh.
So like this.
Okay. Okay. I see.
Okay.
Thank you. So you put how many? Oh, 35 pounds.
35 pounds on each side.
Okay.
So this would be 115 pounds.
Wow. What?
Not too much.
Not too much.
No, but it depends on what. So right now, because I have a back problem that
Oh.
I'm recovering from,
Okay.
I'm trying to have workouts that are less
Uh-huh.
fatiguing,
Uh-huh.
but I still want to get very close to failure,
Uh-huh.
even with something that I don't think is a lot of weight.
Okay. Okay. Whoa. Look like very heavy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. More? Oh.
So you set it up
Yeah.
right here.
Mm-hmm.
And when you set this up,
Mm-hmm.
you just lift it
Mm-hmm.
and you just place this
Mm-hmm.
on the second one.
Yep. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And you put your arm here
Mm-hmm.
and you bring it like this.
All right.
So you want to make sure you get a full extension.
Mm-hmm.
sacrifice.
$11, $12. Yeah, that's good for precision for this. Okay. Okay. workout， 现在试试看。
We've been quite busy taking care of our daughter after giving birth. Our nerves are a bit tight. 30 minutes of simple fitness can relax the mind and body. Time and space are limited, and working out every day isn't easy. But at least I've learned some simple fitness knowledge that I can keep using. Thumbs up.
Alex, you, hello, come here.
Have you recently helped care for someone during postpartum? Remember to take care of yourself while you're looking after others. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give us a like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We'll see you in the next one.